The UN's top court declared Israel's decades-long occupation of Palestinian territory as illegal and demanded that it stop as soon as possible. The advisory opinion issued by the International Court of Justice in The Hague was instantly condemned as a decision of lies by Israel, but hailed by the Palestinian president who described it as historic. The ICJ's statement, referred to as advisory opinion, comes amid growing alarm about the death toll and destruction that the IOF has caused in Gaza. It is also likely to put more international pressure on Israel, whose prime minister decided to oppose a Palestinian state, calling it as existential threat. The court has found that Israel's continued presence in the Palestinian territories is illegal. The ICJ presiding judge Nawaf Salim declared in The Hague.
The nature of Israel's acts, including the fact that Israel frequently confiscates land following the demolition of Palestinian property for reallocation to Israeli settlements, indicates that its measures are not temporary in character and therefore cannot be considered as permissible evacuations under the Fourth Geneva Convention. In the court's view, Israel's policies and practices are contrary to the prohibition of forcible transfer of the protected population under Article 49, Paragraph 1 of the Fourth Geneva Convention.
Israel is under the obligation to bring an end in its unlawful presence as soon as possible, according to the judge's finding, which has read at the ICJ's seat. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu denounced the ICJ's verdict as a decision of lies. South Africa has launched a separate high-profile case before the court, saying that Israel committed genocide during the Gaza offensive. It also issued a statement urging the international community to put an immediate end to the occupation and Israel's violations of international humanitarian and human rights law against the Palestinian people.